What happens to your skin when you stop eating seed oils and sugar? The shocking truth about acne that no one's telling you. Shocking skin fact before we begin. Did you know that just 1 tablespoon of seed oil can cause inflammation in your skin for months? And if you've been consuming seed oils for years, your skin may be battling that inflammation for up to 2 full years. That's like coating your skin with rancid, sticky glue from the inside out every single day. And those tweezers you're using to dig out blackheads or squeezing that pimple in front of the mirror, you could be making things 10 times worse. Before we dive in, do this right now. Like this video if you've ever felt hopeless about your skin. Share it with a friend who's tried everything but still breaks out. Subscribe for science-backed, honest health content. Comment below, what's the worst thing you've ever done to your skin out of desperation? Why nothing you've tried? Works every year. People spend over $11 billion on skincare products worldwide. We slather our faces with cleansers, peels, retinols, and toners, hoping to finally get clear, smooth, Instagram-worthy skin. But acne, blackheads, and irritation remain a daily struggle for millions. What if the true cause of your acne wasn't hormonal, wasn't poor hygiene, wasn't even bacteria? What if the real root cause is sitting in your kitchen, not your bathroom? I've been there, scraping blackheads with metal tools, rubbing in benzoyl peroxide until it burned, even trying toothpaste and crushed aspirin on breakouts. Nothing worked. Worse, I ended up with damaged skin, acne scars, and zero confidence. Here's the truth. Topical solutions only treat the surface. If your body is inflamed on the inside, no skincare product will fix you. Quick pause. Tag someone who needs to hear this. Like if you've ever bought a skincare product that did nothing, and drop a comment, what's the strangest acne remedy you've tried? Part 1. The timeline of skin destruction and healing. Let's break down what actually happens to your skin over time and how removing seed oils and sugar begins to reverse that damage. Week 0 to 1. The start of your skin. Breakdown. We've been told acne is caused by too much oil. That's only half the story. The real villain? Thick, sticky, glue-like sebum. This unnatural oil builds up under the skin and traps dirt, bacteria, and dead cells. And here's why that happens. 1. Hormones, especially DHT. During puberty and even adulthood, your body converts testosterone into DHT, dihydrotestosterone, a super potent hormone. DHT doesn't just increase oil, it changes its texture, making it waxy and immobile, like trying to push toothpaste through a coffee straw. Pores get blocked, bacteria get trapped, acne flares up too. Insulin spikes from sugar and refined carbs, candy, soda, white bread, pastries. These spike your blood sugar and flood your body with insulin. And guess what insulin stimulates? More DHT. High insulin, more DHT, thicker oil, clogged pores. 3. Zinc deficiency. Most processed diets are critically low in zinc. Without zinc, oil glands go haywire. DHT runs unchecked, vitaminA can't be absorbed properly. Inflammation skyrockets, zinc is like your skin's traffic cop. Without it, everything crashes. vitaminA deficiency. vitaminA helps your skin shed dead cells, produce healthy oil, fight off infection. But here's a kicker. Vitamin A requires zinc to function. Without zinc, your vitamin A is basically useless. 5. Seed oils, the silent saboteurs. This is the most overlooked factor in modern skincare. The oils your body produces come from the fats you eat. So if you eat canola oil, sunflower oil, corn oil, soybean oil, you're literally building your skin with industrial waste. Seed oils are extremely high in omega-6s, pro-inflammatory, oxidize easily, causing free radical damage. Stay in your body tissues for months to years. Disrupt liver function and block vitamin absorption. You're not just eating unhealthy fats. You're turning your skin into a breeding ground for acne. Sound off. Have you ever heard someone say seed oils cause acne? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if this is new info to you, and hit subscribe to keep your skin healing from the inside out. Week 2 to 4. What happens when you quit the toxins? Here's what starts to happen when you stop eating seed oils, sugar, and ultra-processed carbs. Insulin drops, DHT normalizes, zinc rebounds, skin calms down, vitamin A gets absorbed, skin renews faster, sebum thins out, pores unclog naturally, inflammation decreases, your breakouts people report, less redness, fewer whiteheads, less painful cystic acne, more even tone. It's not magic, it's your body finally being allowed to do its job. Part 2, the clearskin diet, what to eat and avoid. Instead of spending hundreds on external fixes, change your internal inputs. Your skin is literally built from what you eat. Eat more of grass-fed beef and lamb, high in bioavailable zinc and vitamin A, cod liver oil, nature's multivitamin, A, D, and omega-3s, oysters and shellfish, zinc powerhouses, wild-caught fatty fish like sardines, fights inflammation, egg yolks and grass-fed butter, healthy fats, plus fat-soluble vitamins, leafy greens, cruciferous veggies. Help your liver detox and process hormones. Avoid these like the plague. Seed oils, check all your sauces, chips, dressings, sugary treats, cookies, soda, candy, white bread, pasta, cereal, fast food, and fried snacks. Grain-fed chicken and pork, high in omega-6s. Even the meat you eat matters. If that animal ate corn and soy, so did you. Week 4 to 8. Visible transformation. After 1 to 2 months of consistent eating and avoiding skin-damaging foods, here's what can happen. Breakouts drastically reduce, skin oil becomes thinner and more balanced. Hyperpigmentation starts fading. Skin stops feeling dry and oily at the same time. Women report fewer hormonal breakouts. Scarring begins to soften and heal. Your sebaceous glands adapt. They stop making sludge. They make healthy skin oil again. No serum, mask, or facial can match what your liver and hormones can do once you're nourished correctly. Before we wrap up, if you're still here, you're in it for real. Drop a comment. What change made the biggest difference in your skin? Like and share this with a friend who needs to ditch their drugstore acne kit. Subscribe for weekly skin, hormone, and health breakdowns you can't get from a dermatologist's office. Conclusion: stop attacking your skin. Heal it. Let's recap what you should stop and start doing. Stop popping zits, using harsh acids and drying treatments, eating seed oils, sugars, and refined carbs, trusting creams to fix a food-based problem. Start supporting hormone balance with low glycemic, real foods, getting zinc and vitamin A from whole sources, healing your liver so nutrients can actually work, drinking enough water and sleeping 7 to 9 hours a night, moving your body daily to boost circulation and detoxification. The big truth: clear skin is not about killing bacteria. It's about building an internal environment where inflammation can't exist. That means eating like your skin depends on it, because it does. You don't have bad skin. You have a body that's trying to protect you from what you're putting in it. Smash that like button if you learned even one thing today. Share your story below. Someone else might need to hear it. Subscribe for honest, biology-based strategies to glow from the inside out. Bonus tip: if you've been eating seed oils for years, like most of us have, be patient. It can take 12 to 24 months to fully detox them from your tissues. Every clean meal is a tiny act of skin recovery. Don't give up after 2 weeks. Think long-term. Your skin wants to heal. It just needs the right ingredients.